I'm with Ancora Training. We partner with 10 community colleges in the state of Virginia, so my role is the CDL Director of Operations over all of our commercial driver training programs. We partner with community colleges to take the burden from them to provide their CDL training. We come in and train their students on their property. Our traditional model is 4 weeks. The first week of that class is typically theory, where they're in the classroom learning the laws, learning how to get a permit, learning everything to be successful in this industry. And then the last 3 weeks is hands-on. It's where they're doing backing exercises, pre-trip inspection, out on the public roadway, to ultimately get those skills needed to become successful CDL holders. What we see now is a lot of people that have skills, that want the skills trade versus traditional academia. They can come into this field and potentially go from making $40,000 a year to like 60 to 70 upon completion of obtaining your CDL. And the cool part is you can do it in as little as 4 weeks. I'm a CDL holder myself. I always tell everybody this is a golden ticket. Find your answer at a Virginia Community College.